Hello, we discuss about this seed inoculation with the rhizobia. Myself, Professor Kamthana DC from the Department of Microbiology, Sri Guru Buddhi Swami College, Purna. Some organisms are agriculturally important one, and these are enhancing the crop yields. The rhizobia are present in the root nodules of the leguminous plants, and these are fixing the atmospheric nitrogen with the help of leguminous plants. This is the symbiotic nitrogen fixation, and these rhizobia are used as the biofertilizers. These biofertilizers reduce the need of expensive chemical fertilizers. The seeds are inoculated with the rhizobia, and this is by mixing the rhizobia culture in 10% sugar solution and 40% gum arabic to form a slurry, and to this slurry add the seeds of these leguminous plants. These form a uniform coat of this rhizobium culture around the seeds. The seeds are dried in shade and sown immediately. Now we discuss about these requirements. First requirement, Rhizobium japonicum culture. Next one, soybean seeds, yeast extract, mannitol agar medium, sugar powder, gum arabic powder, needle or scalpel. Procedure, inoculate yeast extract, mannitol agar medium plates with the rhizobium culture. These plates incubate at 26 degrees Celsius for 10 days. After this incubation period, using a scalpel or needle scrap the growth of the bacterium from the plates and suspend in water. Then take 50 gram of sugar in 500 ml of the water. Heat the sugar solution for 15 minutes. Then add 200 gram of gum arabic powder to this sugar solution, which is hot one. Then allow the solution to cool at room temperature. Then mix the inoculum prepared, and this is forming a slurry. To this slurry add the soybean seeds. Mix the seeds with inoculum slurry so as to form the uniform coat of these microorganisms, rhizobia, around the seeds. Then transfer the seeds on paper sheet. Sow the seeds in the field. Observation and results. First one, observe the roots of rhizobia inoculated and non-inoculated plants for nodal production after 10 to 15 days. After sowing of the seeds in the fields, these non-inoculated, these are acting as a control. Then next observation and result, that is compare the yield of this rhizobia inoculated and non-inoculated fields. Thank you for your listening.